Hi everybody, Lori from BrushFalls Studios. I'm here to do a beautiful Dutch pour. We have several colors. I went shopping at Blix and I bought some inexpensive trial bottles to see if they're actually pigmented enough and to see if I like working with them. Alright, so I have an 18 by 24. Come on down to the canvas. We're going to start really quick because I'm so excited. I have a white base coat. I'm just going to pour this. Of course, there's little fuzzies on my canvas. Thank you all for joining me at our channel. We appreciate everybody that watches us. I'm just going to spread this out with my paintbrush. So let me talk to you about my colors before we begin. Now these are the little $2 to $3 bottles I was talking to you about. This is Blix Matte Blue Red Deep. And this is how it looks with my pouring medium added, nothing else. We've got yourself Blix Matte Blue Violet Medium. Very pretty too. It's like a periwinkle. This is the Ultra. I want to put an L in there. Utrecht. Utrecht. Don't put that in. This is the Utrecht in the medium body with crimson. I've got myself 24 karat gold by Deco Art. This is called Green Light by Blix. It's kind of a spring green. It's pretty, very pretty. And I don't thin this too much. Just a small mound, if you can see that. I would say this is the consistency of warmed syrup or honey. Okay. And then I've got Blix in warm gray.
Thanks for sharing.
And then I've got my white base coat, and I'm just going to start. I think I'm going to layer my paints. And then stretch it out and see how this looks. Am I good on the you good on the film? I'm doing it again. Okay. All right, I'm just going to flip this. And we're going to stretch it. Oh my goodness, it's going to be so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to stretch it. See what this looks like stretched. Okay, just going to lift it for a second, guys. Give me a second. I like to take the bar behind. What's the bar called, honey?
Stretcher
The
bar.
stretcher bar, and just manipulate my paintings. I spend a lot of time stretching it out because I'm trying to create certain movement within the painting. And don't worry, my paint that's on the table does not go to waste. This looks like a whimsical sky already. All these beautiful lacing. There's not too much. All these beautiful cells here. Purple cells, white cells, and the layers. The layers here. So pretty. The blue against the purple. The soft green against the purple and the red. It looks like all the layers here are minerals and geodes and part of the earth. Earth and sky. A little bit of both. I am not going to manipulate this painting much. No, just kidding. I'm not going to manipulate it. So, we're finished, and I wish you all the very best till the next painting we do together. And please make sure you subscribe. We are a little channel. We're growing, so we appreciate all of you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.